Okay, now I'll show you how to get started on Instagram and create new account. So it will be easy if you already have a Facebook account because Instagram and Facebook are connected. However, you can also create new account using email address and password. So go to instagram.com and click sign up. For this exercise, I will create a brand new Instagram account. So I'll insert my email address, full name, username, which you can change later, and password. If the username is taken, you will get this kind of red cross, so you have to wait until you find username that is not in use yet. So make sure to test few different versions. For example, I choose Magdalena RPC and I've got a green tick that this username is available. Yay! So now all I have to do is put in password and click on next. And you can also put in your birth date. This is not my real birth date, but I think this is just to verify your age and so on. So click on next. And now simply follow the confirmation messages. Okay, you can add a phone number as well, as you will receive confirmation to your phone. And now simply put in the confirmation code from your phone. Okay, and press submit. Okay, now we're Instagram and we've got few suggestions of the people we should follow. So this kind of celebrities and so on. So we can choose who to follow. You don't have to do it now, you can do it later. However, I'll show you how to get started with your Instagram account. Go to your profile and here you can edit profile. So click here. You can add your website, you can add short bio, you can change email address later, you can input your phone number, gender, what else? And obviously change password, apps and websites. You can choose if you want to get subscribed to all of those ways of contact. You can enable or disable push notifications. Privacy security, you can choose whether it's private account so people cannot see your content and they will need to be approved to follow you. And here you can add profile photo, add a phone number. For some reason still you have to add it even if you used it to verification, and obviously connect to Facebook because it will be much easier to log in through Facebook. And this is how you get started. And in the next video I will also show you how to upload your first Instagram post.